Hi guys, this is how do you actually post a Instagram post. So first thing first, you need to understand what kind of content that you are posting. Are you posting an image? Are you posting a video? Are you posting a video longer than 1 minute and etc. If you are selecting and posting a normal picture like this one, so this is just one picture. This one is a video, but it's a short video. This one is a picture. Then you can actually just put it into your normal post or what we call feed. Then this feed will actually put into your own post profile. So it will actually appear on your profile directly. Okay. This is going to be best for a single pictures, multiple pictures. You can also have it. We call it carousel in just one post. If you have video, I would suggest if it's less than 1 minute, go for Reels. Right, Reels is actually this one. You can see in the middle bottom there's this video icon, right? So you can click on it and then it will bring you to this Reels section here. So this is actually Reels, a short video that lasted less than a minute. So if you want to upload that, you can actually just click on the if you go up on the right side, you can see there's a camera button, right? You can click on that. So if you click on this one, okay, then it will show you your camera roll. This is your camera basically. So you can straight away shoot from this, or you can also click on the left button. There's this gallery here. So this is going to be all about your video. So for example, if I select certain video, maybe let's see, okay, maybe this is going to be the video, this one, right? So this is going to be the video. You can just click on add. Okay, then this is going to be your reels. But for video, I will how to create it, we will just talk about it on Friday, but not today. Okay, so after you're done, you can just click preview. So this is the preview of the video. You can click next. Okay, then afterwards you can write the caption, which is like the idea, caption, and etc. And I would suggest you to always put a hashtag. So on here you can put either hashtags and etc. Okay, so you can put hashtag, trying, and etc. Yeah, so you can put that. And then afterwards there is this option called also share on feed. So you need to, I would suggest you try to put this, because if it's not going to your feed, it will only appear in the certain section and people cannot really see that. Okay, so I would suggest you to share on the feed. After you're done, you can just click next, and then after that you can share. Okay, after you share, just wait for it to upload. Then afterwards you can straight away see it as your Instagram reels here. Okay, so let's just go to the next one. Okay, so I will teach you guys how to do a post in your Instagram. So just now I was selecting the reels, right? So now it's going to be a normal post. So if you notice, I actually just changed the device. And if you notice as well, I have different kind of layout, right? So please remember, every devices will have maybe probably different kind of layout. So what you will see and what will I see probably might be different, but don't worry about that, because for right now it should be the same, the button that you should put if you want to post something. Okay, so this is the homepage of the Instagram. You need to go to your profile, which is on the right bottom here, and then what you need to do is you go up here to actually just click on the plus button there, the box plus there, click on it. And then on here you can clearly see that you have the option to create a post, story highlight, Instagram TV video, and live, right? So right now what do you want to do is to actually just just select the post, so the first one, because we are actually creating a normal post. Okay, so in this one, what do you want to do, right? What do you want to do first is they will show you all of the photo that you have, photo videos in your gallery here, right? And then afterwards what you want to do is to select one of them. If you select one of it, for example, I just want to select this is going to be my single picture, for example. If you want to select multiple, you can also do that. For example, I also want to select this one, but for right now I'm actually selecting a single image, right? What you can do is actually select this blue button here. So you can clearly see I am actually selecting this blue button, right? You can actually just like select this first, so until the blue button is light up, and then afterward you can see that my photo here is has a number on it, which is number 1. If you want to put the second one, for example, I can just select, this is going to be my second, this is going to be my third, this is going to be my fourth, for example, right? So this is going to be what we call as a carousel post, which is you have multiple images, or you can also have multiple images and videos in one of the posts. Okay, so this one, for example, I want to post all of these 4 pictures at my normal post here. So what will I do after I select them? I will click next. Then on this, they will basically ask you if you want to kind of like edit your picture to look more like more nice. For example, you can actually just find all of the filter down here. So you have normal. If you change this to Clardon, you can clearly see that they will change the color, right? So you can use this if you want. You can also select some of them, like if you select this, right, and then you double click on it, either double click or just hold, it really depends on like the devices, or you can just like one click. Then afterwards you can also do you can also set the intensity. So 100 is going to be like the highest intensity, 0 means there's no filter on it. Okay, I will just click cancel. I will go for normal. All right, and in here, this is going to be your last chance to actually reorder your post. For example, I actually want to put this facade elegance as my second images, not the first one. This is going to be my first one, for example, right? What I can do is I will just hold this, right, until it become like this. You can drag, and then I can just drag it after the second post. So this one is going to be my first post, and this is going to be my first. Okay, after you're done, you can just click next. Then this is where you write your caption. All right, please remember to go back to the IDA strategy on writing caption, because that's like really good. So you can write your IDA caption here. I will just put IDA first, so you can just put your caption here, for example, IDA, and then afterwards on this one I can put like hashtag as well, right? Because you need to actually to put hashtag. For example, like Fofo Malaysia, sorry, and Fofo and etc. Okay, so please do your own research on your hashtag as well. So you will, so hopefully it will increase your engagement. Okay, after you're done here, so for example, okay, I'm done with this, right? Okay, and then afterwards I will just click OK, right? Then afterwards, the below part here, there was this tag people and add location. Okay, so on this tag people, you can just click on it, and then afterwards you can just click anywhere in the frame to actually find certain people. So for example, oh, I want to actually tag Uni Beatrice, I can do that. Then I can drag to put whatever that I want. Okay, you can also add another one. If I select this one again and then I tag Next Academy, it will be here as well. Okay, so if I click done, right, now you can see tag people, I have 2 people here. On the location as well, you can do a location tag. For example, if I want to put Kuala Lumpur, right, okay, then I can find the location directly, so it will need like some internet connection here. Okay, so in this one, as long as you have it in Google Maps, usually you will find it in the location. Okay, so on here, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, then this is going to be my location here. Okay, after I'm done, you see there is this create promotion, right? But this one create promotion, you can just skip it, because this one is going to be your business account, not your normal account, right? So you can just like skip it. Then afterwards, you have this Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr. Okay, so Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr here, you can also post it directly to your Facebook, to your Twitter, or your Tumblr. But first thing first, you need to connect them. Okay, but if you don't connect it, it's okay, because especially on Facebook, sometimes your caption need to be different, because Facebook, you can click the link directly in the caption, right? But in Instagram, you cannot click the link in the caption. So in this one, in Instagram caption, you need to remember that you cannot put any link. So the only thing that you can do is you can just ask them to click the link in the bio, or DM you, which is mean private message, or comment below, for example. Okay, so that's going to be your CTA. Okay, so if it's all done, everything is okay, I can just click share, and then it will be shared to my timeline. So it will be posting now. Okay, so this is my post here, basically. Okay, so this is my post. You can see I can scroll. It's going to be a carousel. All right, so basically that's how do you create your own post. If you check on your profile here, the post is actually on this one. Okay, so that's basically how do you post a normal post in your Instagram.